What's up, guys? This is the 50 cal MCS Devastator weight video. I forgot the sheet at work on Friday, so I bring it today. Today's Monday. These ones were pretty small differences in between all of them. The balance at my work, it goes over 4 digits, like to the right of the decimal place. So it's pretty accurate. It's like milligrams. It goes down to milligrams, like 1 milligram. And 1,000 milligrams equals 1 gram. So like once this goes to like 9999, it'll go to one. Anyways, the heaviest ball or heaviest 50 cal MCS Devastator was 4.6571 grams, and the lightest one was 4.609, and the difference between those was 0.048 grams, which is not that much, like 0.05 grams difference between the heaviest one and the lightest one. And the average of all of them, I did 15 rounds, and the average was 4.63 grams. They're advertised as 4.7 grams, so it's off a little bit, but I mean, it's almost what it's advertised at. And then these were the 68 cal MCS Devastators. These things. These are the 68 cal ones. I left the 50 cal ones upstairs, but they basically look the same. They're just 50 cal, like smaller. So the heaviest one was 9.9256 grams, and the lightest one was 9.8568 grams. The difference between the heaviest and the lightest was 0.0688 grams. So 0.07 grams difference, which is not that much. It's pretty good, like the consistency in those weights. And the average weight is 9.88 grams. So these ones are advertised as 9.7 grams, but they actually weigh more. At least the batch that I got out of the 15 that I just randomly picked out of the container, it was more than what they're advertised at. And the bore size, I think the ones I got, most of them are 684. I wrote this wrong. This should say 685, not 658. So 684 was kind of a tight push through the bore, that paintball bore checker or like gauge checker that I have, and 0.685 it would push through pretty easily. So it's somewhere in between those two. And I've shown you in the video, it doesn't fit the HDB shotgun, but it does fit the HDR or like TR68 revolver. These rounds fit in it like really good. I think only one kind of like flopped out one of the magazines I have, but there are way better fits than the 50 cal TR50 magazine. Like they fit a lot better than that. They're not as snug. And then today I got a shipment from eBay, and the stock TCR, it doesn't fit that. So what you need to do is buy a breech block. And I got this from an eBay person. His name's Master Scony. Yeah, he has these breech things. You can also buy the Tipman Tip-X long reach kit, and it has a breech like this. So this breech, it's let me turn my light really quick. It's shaped. So the stock TCR breech is a circle shape, and these won't fit in it. And the 12 round magazine from the Byrna TCR, that one you can fit shaped projectiles into it, like first strike rounds and stuff. So these will fit in this breech, just like that. But obviously they're not being fed in correctly because I'm just dropping it in there. But the stock breech is round, so it won't even fit in there. I'm just trying to show you. So yeah, this fits. So I'm gonna install this in my TCR, and then I'll be able to use these in the TCR, and I'll probably get like that same amount, like 50 joules or 53 joules or something. But I bought these mainly for the revolver, the TR68 revolver, and then I just kind of had in the back of my mind, like, yeah, I could buy the TCR breech thing, So I'll probably install this in the next couple days, maybe tomorrow or tonight maybe, but it's like 7:30. I'm gonna eat dinner and stuff and probably just relax. But yeah, this was from eBay. I think it was like $30 plus shipping, because yeah, this guy charges shipping, but I think the total was like 37 or something like that. $38 after tax and shipping and stuff. So it's a worthy upgrade. The Tippmann Tip-X long range adapter kit, it comes with the stock breech, which has 2 detents on it, and I feel like the detent, it's this little thing right here, it holds the balls in place when they're traveling, when they're inside the breech, so that when you push the marker, like when you pull it up so the barrel's pointing down, the ball doesn't just fall out the front, because there's this little orange thing that grabs the ball. So the actual Tippmann one, it has 2 detents, one on each side, but the detent kind of also like slows down the ball. So this one having 1 detent, like obviously if I was using paintballs, paint first strike rounds with paint in them, that might not be very good. But since this is not used for paint balls, it's going to let the ball fly out the barrel faster, or a ball or these shaped rounds fall out the barrel faster without getting hung up on 2 little plastic things like grabbing onto it, because they're these little plastic nubs that grab onto the ball, and or the shaped round, whatever you're shooting out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna install this sometime this week, and then I'll make a video using these and then this thing. But the I got off topic. The Tip-X long range adapter, it comes with a normal, it's like a silver colored Tippmann breech with the shape on the bottom of it, and then 2 detent slides, or like 2 detent inputs. So there's one here and there's one here. And then it comes with a 12-round magazine, a bolt spring, which I could use on the TCR. I could also use the magazine on the TCR. It comes with a bolt bumper, a couple random O-rings, which I can also put into the TCR. And I believe it comes with a bolt guide and a power tube, and basically just more hardware stuff that goes, like if this was the inside of the TCR, there's this metal piece, a couple metal pieces and the bolt and stuff that move. It comes with those pieces, but they're for the Tip-X. So I think they'll kind of work on the TCR, but the place where I would buy it from is my local paintball store, A&S Gear, and they have it for $80 right now, but it's not this. And I'll probably eventually get another 12-round magazine for the TCR and just buy 2 of them. So the only thing I missed out on was basically a bolt spring, a couple random O-rings, and like a bolt bumper and stuff. But I could easily just buy those things like as I need them. I don't really necessarily need that Tip-X kit. And I kind of liked the idea of the single detent over the 2 detent system that the stock Tip-X long range breech block has. So I went with this instead of buying the normal like Tippmann one. So we'll see how it performs. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. Went a little off topic, but yeah, you can use these in the TCR, but you need to buy a this breech block from this guy. He used to have them on Amazon also, but he took them off for some reason. I don't know if he like ran out of stock on Amazon, but he has them on eBay. I have no idea, but I know I can buy them on eBay, and that's where I got them. So yeah, have a good night, guys.